Hi guys, my name is Qosimatur from Entrepreneurship SBMITB. KAABA is multimedia products. It's specifically designed to serve the information, guidance, and preparation needs and experience umrah and hajj for every Muslim in the world. I met Kak Gary Agusta as co-founder and CEO of KAABA and several staffs in the office. The office itself is located on the 4th floor of SBMITB building, the newest building, Freeport. And Kak Gary said that KAABA established in 2017. Why I interested in KAABA? Yeah, since I'm a Muslim, I want to get amal jariyah since the product itself is for Muslim population. What else? Yeah, the product is good. Well, how does it works? It actually guide to know Mecca and Medina through Umrah and Hajj. It creates a product that could help everyone easier to learn and practice and prepare for Umrah and Hajj. The activities since I joined KAABA is like a weekly meeting for brainstorming. Oh yeah, I also joined Kajian Islam in every Thursday. Well, the impact and benefits for me, yeah, several staffs in the office sometimes ordering our products such as the filling bread, and then they try to promote it through Instagram, through the other social media, and yeah, it's very impactful and informative. Hopefully I can join the other community in the future. Bye bye, see you.